The Atlantic Eco-Rise Plumbing Kit, ER-Kit 3, facilitates the installation of up to 3 decorative fountain pieces over a hidden underground reservoir. A custom-engineered 3-way manifold, designed specifically for Atlantic's Aura vases and hammered brass bowls, connects and adjusts the flow from a single pump through 3 valved outlets. The ER-Kit 3 is a component of Atlantic's double hammered brass bowl kit, which mounts 2 hammered brass bowls and a pedestal on a 5-block Eco-Rise system. The ER-Kit 3 plumbing kit works with Atlantic's Eco-Rise system, which creates modular underground reservoirs for above-ground water features. The system consists of EcoBlox water matrix blocks, a pump vault that houses 1 or more high-efficiency recirculating pumps, Eco-Rise weight distributing risers, and a liner. The rectangular EcoBlocks can be arranged to form almost any size, shape, and depth reservoir, and can support over 7 tons of distributed weight. The pump vault is a perforated enclosure set within the field of EcoBlocks that houses up to 2 pumps, allowing easy access for maintenance while hiding the pumps from view and mischief. The Eco-Rise is a wheel-shaped riser that sits on top of the EcoBlocks, raising whatever is set on it 3 inches, enough for plumbing to pass under and into the fountain piece. The ER-Kit 3 provides the plumbing to connect up to 3 decorative fountain pieces per kit. The ER-Kit 3 comes with the Eco-Rise Diverter, 3 1.5-inch male thread by 1-inch slip bushings, and 25 feet of 1-inch flexible PVC. The Eco-Rise Diverter splits the flow from 1.5 or 2-inch pipe into 3 valved 1-inch outlets. It is designed to mount on the PV7500 pump vault and connect directly to a Triton check valve on a TT series pump. The diverter tucks down into a recess in the PV7500, and its valves have removable handles for easy concealment after adjusting. The diverter also seamlessly accommodates the optional Triton ionizer for instant, effective control of organics if required. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the Atlantic Eco-Rise Plumbing Kit, ER-Kit 3, but were afraid to ask. Check out our installation and maintenance videos for more information, and don't forget to like and follow us on social media. See you in the next video.